What's cooking, everyone? This is the part 2 of our canned tuna series. So sit back, relax, and enjoy our recipe. Okay, here's our ingredient: soy sauce, of course, canned tuna, bell pepper. You may want to dice it, and later on we're gonna blend them into the food processor. Leeks, ginger, around 50 grams. Dice it. Chinese celery. You may want to dice everything so later it's easy to grind. Egg, garlic, 1 bulb of garlic, carrots, and spring roll pastry. So this one is Indonesian local. Of course, onion. Just dice the onion. Okay. So here's the food processor, and let us just process everything so it's very easy to blend. To click subscribe and the notification bell. Now let's mix in together our tuna, all the ingredients. Okay, don't forget your salt and pepper to taste. And your egg. Mix them together until well incorporated, and we will start wrapping it up. So get a spoonful of our tuna mix and just gently rub it down, rub it up into the wrapper. So here's how you do it. So compress it at the lower side and start at the bottom of the wrapper. And then side, lock it in so when we fry it, nothing will get out of the wrapper. So press gently and just fold aside and roll it down until it becomes a spring roll. Very easy. Okay, here's another angle for better view. So just be patient and practice. You'll have a lot more ingredients to practice. Okay, we are done. Just give me a few moments and we will start to fry them out. Okay, on a medium heat pan, start frying your rolls until golden brown. Gently and surely. Okay, time to turn it over. Let's see that golden brown color. Oh, just nice. Just nice. Okay, we are done. You don't have to fry everything. You can freeze the other rolls and it can last for about 3 weeks to a month. It depends on your freezer. So that's it. Okay, here's a long one that I made. Extra long size spring roll.